This is Mrs. Oliver, and I'll be going over the Algebra 2 syllabus with you from Mr. French and Mrs. Oliver's Algebra 2 class. This is the teacher contact information. Mr. French is in room 227, and I, Mrs. Oliver, I'm in room 138, which is next to the B.I.T office. Please come by and stop and see us for some extra help whenever you need it. In this course, it is designed to help you have an overview of Algebra 2. And to be successful, you will need to be a team learner and be a responsible student. The things you will be expected to do this year may not be the typical way you are used to learning. Keep an open mind, putting your best effort forward, and we will make sure you have a great high school year. We look forward to experiencing Algebra 2 with you. The content is adapted from the Common Core Standards for Algebra 2. We will use the Holt Algebra textbook. Mr. French will also teach you a way to download that textbook onto your device, so you don't always have to be lugging around that large book. This material will be taught in a flipped classroom, which I explained before is going home and watching a video and taking notes on it, coming to class with those notes, and then in class we will be doing all of our work, where you can ask all of us questions, work in a group, or ask your teachers. You need to have loose leaf paper, a 3-ring binder, a mechanical pencil, pencil lead, erasers. You definitely need a scientific calculator. We would like you to have one that has log function and trig functions. It'd be great if you could buy the TI Inspire CX handheld. I don't have one myself, but if you can purchase it, it would be great. Otherwise, another option is Mr. French will teach you how to download some apps onto your calculator onto your phones that'll make it a graphing calculator. Our objective is to prepare students to use algebraic skills and concepts confidently in mathematics-related disciplines and in their real-life situation. We always like to try and give you examples of how to use the math we're using in real life. Our point scale is as follows. We do 80% tests and quizzes and 20% is assignments. The grading scale below is what we use in our math class. Bring your own device. Device apps will be used daily. We want you to take out those phones. We'll be using Twitter, Facebook, Edmodo, taking pictures, watching videos, all sorts of things. At home, we expect you to watch a 15 to 20-minute video and take the notes. In class, we're going to use group work, math labs, graphing calculators, computer software, and websites to get some math fun and learning done. Outside of class, like I said, we watch a video, take Cornell notes, and finish any classwork that you didn't get done in class. Then, in class, you bring those notes, and we will go over our assignments from the book, worksheets, computers, or math labs. You can use this time to ask the 2 teachers you have any questions. We have an exam or quiz for every single unit, and for every single quiz or exam we give you a study guide or some sort of practice test for every single one. You will always be prepared. Once again, you only are allowed 2 late assignments a semester, and this is a math department policy. At the end of the semester, you'll have a comprehensive final. So in December, you will have a final exam that has all the information you've learned from August, all the way to December. Come and find Mr. French or Mrs. Oliver if you happen to be absent. Please come and find us on the first day back to the building, not on the first day back to class. We know how hard it is to get behind, and we want to help you as soon as possible. Also, when you get back, be prepared to turn in homework from the day you missed. Be prepared to take quizzes and exams with the class, and make up any notes you missed. You can check with a teacher and or peer. Mrs. Oliver, a lot of the time, will take notes and have them available for the students. If you fail to come in and talk to one of us, your assignments may be counted as late, and they may not be accepted. How do you avoid being marked tardy? Well, be in your seat when the bell rings. What do you do when you're tardy? Go to the front of the room, fill out a tardy absence slip, and turn it in to your teacher. All school policies will be followed. The B attitudes. Really, classroom expectations. Be respectful to your teacher and to the other students around you. Be responsible by bringing supplies, cleaning up after yourself when you bring snacks, and making sure you are getting your homework done. Be resourceful. Come and find us. Go to tutoring. Ask other students for help. Be safe and always be kind. In room 27, the class rules are the same as the entire building, and all school rules and regulations will be strictly enforced in this classroom. Any student who interferes with a student's right to learn or a teacher's right to teach will result in immediate action. We fully expect that all students will behave according to school policy, and they will be successful in our class. Unfortunately, though, we may have to discipline. If we do, we may be able to skip over some of these steps. First, we'll hold the student accountable, and hopefully they will solve the problem themselves. If they cannot, we will solve the problems by giving them some choices. If the student still cannot make the right choice, we will give you some sort of consequence. We will call home, and unfortunately sometimes we have to send you to the administrator and remove you from the classroom. And last but not least, how can I pass this class? It's easy. Have less than 3 missing assignments and give your best effort. You can show us your best effort by coming in for help, asking essential questions, utilizing makeups when available. Do all of this and you will definitely score a D or better in this class. Once again, the instructors may change any part of this syllabus if they believe it would better meet your needs. Have a great night, and I can't wait to meet you.